Offered for sale is a 2023 Ford Transit T-350 refrigerated box truck equipped with a premium Paneltex insulated body and Thermo King V320 refrigeration system with electric standby, making it an excellent choice for food distributors, pharmaceutical transportation companies, grocery delivery services, meal prep providers, catering operations, floral wholesalers, produce distributors, and businesses that require dependable temperature-controlled transportation. Combining the efficiency and maneuverability of Ford's Transit platform with one of the industry's most thermally efficient refrigerated body designs, this truck delivers outstanding operating efficiency, reliability, payload capacity, and versatility for a wide variety of commercial applications. Power comes from Ford's proven 3.5-liter PFDI gasoline V6 engine producing 275 horsepower and paired with the advanced Ford 10R 80-10-speed automatic transmission. This modern powertrain combination provides smooth acceleration, excellent drivability, dependable reliability, and impressive fuel efficiency for both city and highway operation. The truck features a 4x2 drivetrain and a 25-gallon fuel tank, making it well suited for local and regional delivery routes, where operating costs and maneuverability are important considerations. Built on a Class 2 light-duty commercial chassis with a 9,500-pound GVWR, the Transit is supported by a 4,130-pound front axle rating and a 5,750-pound rear axle rating. The truck rides on Ford's heavy-duty spring suspension system with hydraulic brakes and all-steel wheels, delivering durability, stability, and predictable handling under load. The 156-inch wheelbase provides exceptional maneuverability in congested urban environments, warehouse districts, shopping centers, residential neighborhoods, and loading docks while maintaining excellent cargo carrying capability. The refrigerated body is manufactured by Paneltex and measures 12 feet 6 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 82 inches in height. Designed specifically for refrigerated transportation applications, the body utilizes advanced lightweight insulation technology that increases payload capacity while delivering superior thermal performance. Construction features durable FRP body panels, FRP interior lining, FRP flooring, and an aluminum roof, creating a sanitary, corrosion-resistant, and easy-to-clean cargo environment suitable for food-grade and pharmaceutical transportation. The cargo area is accessible through rear swing doors and side access doors on both sides of the body, providing exceptional loading and unloading flexibility. Temperature control is provided by a Thermo King V320 refrigeration unit equipped with electric standby capability. Widely regarded as one of the industry's most dependable refrigeration systems, the V320 delivers reliable cooling performance and precise temperature management for temperature-sensitive cargo. The engine-driven refrigeration system can also be connected to external power while parked, allowing operators to maintain cargo temperatures overnight during warehouse staging or while loading and unloading without running the truck's engine. The cab is finished in black and includes air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, and collision mitigation technology, creating a comfortable and productive environment for drivers. Notes indicate this truck is a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax history and has been professionally professionally fleet maintained throughout its service life. With 136,500